Good morning, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are keeping fine. Dear students, let us come back to our English class. Before we enter into the class, let me ask some questions to you. Do you like scientists or do you know any scientist? Do you know any scientist? You will be knowing from our own India, we know Abdul Kalam is a famous scientist. Yes or no? So can you tell what are the scientists to do? What they do? What they do? They invent the things. Invent means new things they find out. So we know, we heard in our life and we have seen and we read in the papers, there are so many things every time the scientists are finding out. For example, we can see the bulb, how many times Thomas Alva Edison is failed and he prepared. So what is the work of the scientists? They try to invent the new things. That is the work they will be keep on doing. Today, let us learn about the man who is going to invent something. What he is going to invent, let us learn in the lesson, and let us learn what is the name of the scientist and what he is going to invent. On page number 99, please open your textbook, all of you. Page number 99. Who are the oldest people you know? Do you know who are the oldest people? We know oldest people means our own great-grandparents. Is or no? Great-grandparents. Even some of the grandparents, they remain for so many, they see 6th generation, 7th generation. So who are the oldest people? It is our great-great-great-grandparents. And do you know anybody like that? What are the oldest things you have in your house? And what are the oldest things we have in your house? In our house, we may see some of the oldest things will be kept there and they don't throw it. Why they don't throw it? They say that it is a remembrance of their great-grandparents. What they used in earlier times, in olden times, what are the things they are used, that and all will be kept as a remembrance. They will be keeping as a remembrance in our house. Remembering not the things, not only the things, even remembering their parents, how they have worked and which way they worked. For remembering their things, we keep some of the oldest things. We don't, even if it is breakdown or even if it is not useful, we don't throw it. Then, and in a city or town or village, how old are they? Have you seen in your house, maybe in your house or in the village or in the city, whether you have seen or what? For example, we can say the trees. The trees are very oldest trees are there on the main road. The 24 years, 50 years of the trees will be there. Trees, when we keep the tree within a year, it doesn't become such a big tree. It takes 25, 60, 70 years to become a big trees. So we might have seen the trees in the street, in the main road, in our villages and cities where the people go and sit and enjoy under that tree. Such a oldest tree you might have seen. Have you ever wished that you were older? Did you feel that you want to become older? When we are young, we are so happy we'll be celebrating our birthday every year. We like to celebrate it. But once we reach certain age, once they marry, and when we wish them happy birthday, they say, what is that? I am becoming old. Then what kind of celebration they say? So do you like to become older? Did you wish that you too want to become like a older, like your own great-grandparents or your grandparents? Next, have you wished that you could grow up in a hurry? Did you anytime wish that you want to grow up very fast like your parents? As you are small, you may be very small and your parents are doing different things. Seeing that, did you at any time think that seeing your brother and sister that like him, I too want to grow very fast? Have you thought of any time like that? Then we learn about the invention of Vita work. Vita Wong, the invention of Vita. Invention means finding out new things, finding out. And who is the other here? This scientist here, Mr. Willy Wonka. He is a scientist here. This man is going to find out some things. What is going to find out means he wants to find out to make the people to become older. He wants to make the become older, very older. Let us come back and look into our lesson and we will learn it. The invention of Vita Wang. Mr. Willy Wonka begins by inventing Wonka White, which makes people younger. So this man, what he was doing, he is inventing. Inventing means I told you finding out some new things. What he is doing, he is finding out the new things that is makes people younger. Younger means suppose you are 87 years or 97 years old, when he makes that medicine and gives for you how to make the young again, completely you will be disappeared from that one. You are going back to your first year old. So what happened? You will be completely disappeared. So this man wants to make the medicine for the people to become younger, but Wonka weight is too strong, but it is very too strong, that medicine what he made. So some people disappear because their age becomes minus. One person actually becomes minus 87, which means he is going to wait 87 years before he can come back. So what this man, he made the medicine was to make the people younger, but what happened to that? When he made this medicine, that medicine is it is so strong. Once he made some medicine and he gave to some, for example, your age will be reduced. Suppose your great grandparents, you remember, suppose somebody is at home, they may be 80 years old. Now when they drink this medicine, what happens to them? They will be reduced into zero level. So that person will be completely disappear. And again, if you want to see your grandparents, again they have to wait for 80 years to reach that stage. So people, what happened to them? The age is minusing, they were completely disappearing. For example, they have given 87 years old, which means he got to wait 87 years before he can come back. So to come back again, he has to wait for 87 more years to come back to his this world. Mr. Willy Wonka must invent a new thing. So what he planned, if it is like that, if he is inventing the medicine for becoming the people younger, what happened? The people are disappearing. That means what the world, there will be nobody will be there in this world. The people will be there? No, because everything minus is reducing, they are disappearing. So when he found that the people are disappearing, he wants to stop that one and he wants to find out some other new thing. He wants to find out some other new things in his life. So, can you tell me who is Vinga? Vinga is a scientist. Mr. Vinga is a scientist. What is his name? Willy Wonka. And as a scientist, what he wants to do? He was inventing the medicine for to become the young, but due to that one, they are becoming old and disappearing. So he wants to stop that one and he wants to find out some other thing. Let us see. Mr. Wonka said, so once again I rolled up my sleeves and set to work. Once again I squeezed my brain searching for the new recipe. I had to create age to make people older. Ha ha, I cried, for now the ideas were beginning to come. What is the oldest living thing in the world? What lives longer than anything else? So this man, when he prepared like that, the people are disappearing. So he began to change and he wants to, he wants to get some new ideas and prepare. So before preparing, getting ready something, he was sleeves folding. Those are wearing full hand. What they do when they do this any work, just they'll be folding their shirt and they'll keep it up to this one sleeves of the shirt. So this man was just folding and keeping for what? To find out, to want to work something. He wants to find out some other things. For that, once again I excuse my brain, excuse my mind. He's thinking very deeply in order to get idea what to make. Is so much his brain is working in order to find out the next what he can prepare. and searching for the new recipe. I am searching for the new recipe. You know what is the recipe means? The thing, suppose at home we are preparing the cake, for example. To prepare the cake, what are the recipe we need? We need the flour, we need the oil, we need the egg, we need the essence, all that things. Yes or no? That is the recipe means in order to prepare some items, we need certain items. So that we call the recipe. And otherwise we call them the tips. What are the tips we have to use it in order to prepare certain things. So this man searching for the new things. He is making use of his brain, how to get and what to do. And as he was thinking like that, I had to create a age, because already when he created medicine and he gave for the people, they were disappearing. Now he wants to make the people to become older. So I had to create a age to make people older and older. So he wants to make the people very old and oldest, means that is the last age. He wants to become maybe 200 years or 150 years. He wants to make, now he wants to make the people old. Ha ha, I cried. He said to himself as he was singing, the mind came to him, this is the idea came to him. He said to himself and he was laughing. For now the ideas are beginning to come. Now for me I am getting the new ideas. So what is the oldest living things in the world? So when he got the idea to make the people to become old, now he is getting idea. So he is asking question, what is the oldest thing in the world? He wants to find out in the world which is the oldest thing, means so many years of living. It can be a human beings, it can be a trees, or it can be any things. In the Christian, if you read in the Bible, it was given that our Adam and Eve and they lived 900 years, 1000 years they have lived like that. So now he wants to find out which is the things, so many years it is living in the world. Next, what lives longer than anything else? And he also wants to know which particular thing lives for so many years longer than anything else. Suppose human beings nowadays, there is no guarantee. Very rare we see people are living up to 100 years. Because now this generation and before generation, people they didn't live more than 100 years. Why? Earlier people were living for so many years, because even our great grandparents lived 100 years, 110 years, and all. Why? Because their way of working was completely, their body was completely worked with hands and legs. They were working. But nowadays what we do, we are not doing any work, just everything by current, electrical power. We do all the things. Not only that, completely the food items also changed in our lifestyle. Though they were eating the old grains, nice grains like maize, all that they were eating, but nowadays we prefer only the junk food. Due to that, but not only that, and so much chemicals also added in the food in order to produce more. The farmers, what they do, in order to produce more, what they do, they add so much of chemicals. Due to that one, the chemicals, when it goes to our body, our body organs are affected, and we get different varieties, kinds of cancers. Yes or no? Cancers. So what happened? The lifestyle of the people is reducing day by day due to different reasons. So then he also wants to know which one is living for what he lives for longer than anything else. So these two questions came into his mind. Next, a tree, Charlie said. Immediately his friend, one of the friend was he asked this question, two questions. When it came, immediately he asked him, and that man told it is a tree. He told the trees will be living for so many years. He told him, right, you are Charlie, but what kind of a tree? Not the Douglas fir, not the oak, not the cedar. No, my boy. It is a tree called the Bristol cone pine that grows upon the slopes of Wheeler Peak in Nevada, USA. So then immediately he said, what you said is correct, my dear friend. But what kind of a tree? He is asking whether it is a Douglas fir. Fir means a tree which has a needle-like leaves and cones. Fir means the fir in a textbook itself is the meaning is given. It is the leaves will be like a very like a needle, and they will be having the cones like like a fruit they will be producing, that we call them as a cones. He is telling, is it that class tree? He is telling no, not the oak, even the not the oak trees, even not the cedar, but no, he is giving his own some of the name of the trees what he knows, but Charlie is telling no, not that boy. He is telling him it is a tree called the crystal cone pine tree that grows upon the slopes of the Wheeler Peak in Nevada. What tree he is telling? Crystal cone. Crystal cone tree, crystal cone pine tree, and where it grows, see that also is telling it grows in, we can find out in the slopes. Slopes means the downward area, and suppose the hills are the downward. So when we come from the top to down, the downward slopes, so it will be growing, and where we can find out in the peak of Nevada in USA. The mountain of the peak, peak means it is a the mountains, the top of this one we call the peak. So there it goes on the peak of the mountain to downwards on the slopes it will be growing, and we can find it in USA. The place name is in Nevada. There you can find out this tree, he told him. You can find crystal cone pines on Wheeler Peak today that are over 4,000 years old. This is fact, Charlie. And he told this crystal cone, what happened? This tree, how many years it is growing? 4,000 years, not only 100 or 200, 300, 4,000 years old it is growing, and this is a fact, Charlie. And he also, when he said that this about this tree, how many years old it is living, immediately he said, Mr. Willie Onga said, what you said is correct. Ask any dendrochronologist you like and look that word up in the dictionary when you get home, will you please? So what he told, you can find out from the dendrochronologist. Dendrochronology means the specialist, one who studies about the annual rings of trees. So the person who study about particular the tree annual rings. Suppose this is the tree for you. In the tree we can see this like this rings, annual rings. So it shows how many years it is grown up. We'll be able to see the sea like that in the trees. So what is that? This is we call the rings. Seeing the rings, that all the people will find out how many years of this particular tree. They find out how many these are this. So they find out. So like that the trees will be having rings. So the person, one who study about a specialist, the subject, the specialist means even the doctors, they study about particular organ, or they study about the particular subject, we call them as a specialist. For example, we can say very well, doctors, when we get something, suppose I have heartache, I have heart pain, to whom we go to the particular person who only studied about the heart, so he'll be able to find out thoroughly what is the reason that we are getting that, I am getting that attack, yes or no. So same way there is a specialist in the different field. So here the dendrochronologist means a person who studies specially about the annual rings of trees to know its exact age. For what they are studying, in order to know the age. For us, how we know our age? When we born, so after our birth, the parents will note down on the date. Yes or no, which year born and which month and which date. So each year we will be knowing the date, how many years I am old. And we also know about our great-grandparents and grandparents and all. But whereas in the living things, the trees and all, we cannot stand them because we cannot always remind the trees and count that one. So what they do, they study the rings of this tree, this one. So from that one they are also not simply going and studying. They will cut the trees, so not cut they have their own process, and sometimes they may cut the tree and they know how to study this one. So the person to know the particular, suppose this banyan tree is in our village, in order to know that how many years of old, what they do, they will be studying about this tree of the rings of the age in order to find the correct age. Even sometimes the village big banyan trees will be there. When your suppose your great grandparents are there 100 years old, if you ask them, they may be able to say, because when they may be around 1 year or 2 years or 10 years old, the tree might have kept. So they remember sometimes. When you ask them, they correctly say. But more than that, to whom we have to ask the dendrochronologist. The dendrochronologist means the person who study about the annual means per year the rings of the tree in order to find out the correct age. So he told him to find out, ask any dendrochronologist. So that started me off. I jumped into the Greek class elevator and rest all over the world, collecting special items from the oldest living things. So when immediately he told me that one, immediately what I did, I jumped out of the great class elevator. I began my journey. I started my journey, and how I first I jumped into the great class elevator. You know what is an elevator? It is a lift. We can see everywhere in the railway stations, in the shops, everywhere. Suppose if they are having 5-6 floors, when we are not able to climb the steps, what we do? We get into the that is a lift. That also a kind of lift. And elevator, especially we can see this elevator. It is a lift. We can see especially in the railway stations and in the this one where the flights are aerodrome, there we can see. When we go to the airport, we can see this kind of elevators. It will be just from glass elevators. It is made of a glass. Just stand here and catch. It will take you, no need to walk. It will be taking you where you are supposed to reach. So particular place. So the elevator. So what happened? Immediately he jumped into the elevator and he began his journey. And where he went? He went travelled all through the world. Not only by travelling elevator, he might have travelled by the flight. Yes or no, it is not by elevator. Elevator will not be kept everywhere. It will be kept only in the particular places, airport and the railway stations and some other places. So he travelled all over the world and collecting special items from the oldest living things. And what he did after reaching there, he started to collect the old things from which is the oldest thing. From that little bit things he began to collect. So let us see now what are the things he has collected. What are the things he has collected? Let us see. The list is given. First one, a pinch of sap from a 400-year-old Bristol cone pine. What he first collected from the Bristol cone tree he collected? How many years old? 4,000 years old. A pinch means a measure, little bit of measure. It may be a little bit measure. Pinch means sap. Sap means juice. From this tree he collected the juice. He collected the juice of the tree from this one. Next, he collected the toenail clippings from a 168-year-old Russian farmer called Petrovich and Grigorovich. So what he next collected? He collected from the Russian farmer, two farmers. The Russian farmer, their name is called Petrovich and Grigorovich. What do you mean by Petrovich? Means the Petro means the word, the name came from the Greek word, and Petro means it is a rock. It is a rock. So this man Petrovich means a rock, and the Grigorovich means it is a to wait or to. It is to wait or to alert, be alert. So this is the name of the meaning of this both the people, and they are called, they are from Russian people, not Indian people, they are Russian people. What is their work they were doing? They are a farmer people, and he collected toenail. We know our toes, we have, yes or no? From the toe he collected the nail of that one, nail clipping, small pieces. Clipping means small pieces of the nail, toenail he collected from this people. How many years old toenail he collected? 168 years old he collected from that people. These people, both of them lived 168 years old. From them he collected the nail of the toe. Next, third one what he collected, an egg laid by a 200-year-old tortoise belonging to the king of Tonga. King of Donga. Donga means it is the name of the person. So family person, this one. And he collected the egg from the tortoise. What is that he collected? Tortoise egg he collected. Tortoise egg, old tortoise. How many years old? This is 200 years. 200 years of the tortoise egg he has collected. So next, fourth one we can see the tale of a 51-year-old horse in Arabia. He went to Arabia. There he collected the tail of a horse. How many years? How many years it is? Just 51 years. 50 years of the tail of that horse he collected from different Arabia. Next, the whiskers of a 30-year-old cat called Crumbets. Crumbet means it is the whiskers of a 30-year-old cat called Crumbets. So crumbet means it is like a biscuit, like something, a piece of cake or something. From that he collected the old cat. How many years old cat? 30-year-old cat. He collected little from the piece of little small, like when we make cake, cake pieces. So like that, from the cat he has collected some small pieces of the cat he collected. That is how many years old the cat? It is 36 years old. Crumbets. 36 years old he collected. So already now 4 items collected. First one from the pine cone tree, 4,000 years old he collected the juice. Second one from the Russian farmer he collected from the toe of the nail he collected. Third one from the tortoise egg he collected, that is how many years old? 200 years old. Next he collected a tail of the horse, that is 51 years old. Next he collected the cat pieces of the cat he collected, that is 36 years old. Like that 4, 5, again some more are there. What are the things we will see. Next, an old flea which had lived on Crumbets for 36 years. An old man who lived on a small pieces of cake for 36 years. So he collected old flea. Crumbets. Flea means it is a crumbet, pieces of the cake. It is a pieces of cakes. And how many years old? 36 years old. Old flea. 36 years. He was living on only these pieces of the bread for the cake. So 36 years. From that also, this old flea, from that animal person also he collected. Next, the tale of a 207-year-old Jane rat from Tibet. So again he collected from the big rat. From the big rat, how many years old? 207 years old. 207 years old. From the rat he collected some pieces from that one. Next he collected the black teeth of a 97-year-old Criminal king living in a cave on Mount Popocatépetl. So here the black cat, a cat. Criminal king means it is a cat. Criminal king means it is a cat. Other also we call them as a grey. Why? Because it is in a color, it looks like a black in color. So they call them as a criminal king. It is a cat. Criminal king cat. Black cat or criminal king. Criminal king, a cat. How many years old it is? 97 years old. So from there also, and there it was living on a mound cave. From there also, this from cat, a black cat, and he collected from him that one small pieces of something for which is lived for 97 years he collected. Next, the knuckle bones of a 700-year-old catalo from Peru. Means knuckle bones means the joints of fingers. He collected knuckle bone. joints of fingers. How many years old? 700 years old. 700 years old. So he collected from the joints of the fingers, knuckle bone joints of the finger. He has collected. These are the one of the animals from there he collected. And how many years old of this one? Maybe joints of the finger. 700 years old it lived. He collected some pieces. So these many items he collected in order to make his invention, to find out to make the people to grow older. So once again I revise, Mr. Willy Wonka is a good greatest scientist, and he was finding out some things to people, make the people younger. When he made like that, the medicine is very strong. The people were disappearing. Instead of when he made young, suppose example 87 years old man is that means when he drinks his man completely he disappears. We can't see that man. So and again we have to wait to see 87 after 87 years back only this man can come back. So it is too much. So when he understood this one, he wants to prepare some other medicine to make the people old. For that one, he was finding difficult what to find it. Finally he got idea and he asked his friend Charlie, and he told him that tree is the oldest thing. And what he did, and he told that the tree is crystal cone which is living in USA, you go and collect. So what he did, he travelled to many countries and he went and collected the crystal cone. And what are the crystal cone he collected? And the farmer's nail he collected, egg he collected, tail he collected, and so many things like that he collected, and he collected and came in order to prepare. Now this one's to prepare for what? To prepare and make the people old, not the young, old. So with this I conclude my lesson. Parents, we learn in the next class. Until then, you take care and study the book thoroughly. Thank you. Have a good day.